So it has now been a year since I started using the Mascara Beauty Trace Leches skincare line, and that is the Milk Cream Toner Cleanser and the brand new mask. So today I'm going to do a video of my routine because this stuff has truly transformed my skin. It's completely changed for the better. So I want to show you how I do it. So first I'm going to take a microfiber cloth that has really hot water, and I'm going to use that to remove my makeup. And I do this with super hot water because I use the L'Oreal Beauty Tubes mascara, and so the only way to get that off is with super hot water. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And one thing you should know is if you order the full Trace Leches set, so that's the cleanser, toner, and cream all together, you get a microfiber cloth, and I very clearly have used this one a lot. So after I've done that, I take the cleanser, and that's in a dropper bottle, and I drop that into my hand. And it's not even the full amount of the dropper, it's probably half. I rub that into my hands, and then I rub that all over my face. And this isn't going to lather. You're really rubbing it into your skin. It's kind of different if you're not used to it. So now I'm going to take the same cloth, I'm going to take the other side that's still wet, and I'm going to use that to take the cleanser off. Alright, so normally on a regular day I would go ahead and go straight to the toner, but because I want to show you guys the mask, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So this is the Milk mask. It is brand new and I love it. So it's different than most masks. It's the same kind of pump as the cream. So you only pump it once. That was a little exciting. And you then take it and rub it into your skin. And this is going to be different because you're not going to feel any exfoliating beads. You're not going to feel any tingling really. Well, I haven't anyway. I've heard of some people that do. You really don't need a lot of it either. And you just leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes. So, while that is sitting on my face, I'll talk to you more about this. So, over the last year, the big things that I have seen different, like in change-wise with using the Trace Leches system, is the reduction of redness in my skin. It's been huge. So my skin is normally, like you can see my skin, it's not super red. I do have some dark circles going on under here. My nose is kind of red, but other than that, it's really not that red. Before I started using all of this, it was super red, super splotchy. I had breakouts all the time. And honestly, since I've started using this, I hardly ever get breakouts. And when I don't use it, I then get a breakout. So it's been huge for me. And at the end of the video, I will post pictures of my progression with this. And it has truly been amazing, you guys. I have gone from, like, I would not go out in public without makeup on because my face was so splotchy and red. And now I'm perfectly comfortable going out like this because my skin is even and it's not bumpy and it's smooth and I love it. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the mask off, still using the same cloth, just as a cleaner area. And I'm just going to go ahead and take that mask right off. Again, it's so different than a typical mask. And it just cleanses your skin. It's so nice. It's so soothing. And again, I don't do this every single night. I probably do this 2 to 3 times a week. And that's what, it says 1 to 2 times a week. So it really just depends on what my skin's doing. But my skin feels so soft now. All right, so now I'm going to take the toner. And this is your spray. And I'm going to spray it all over my face. Whew. And this one, it takes a minute or two for it to dry. So you want to let it dry before you put the cream on your face, which is the next step. So I normally brush my teeth, I put my pajamas on, I do whatever else I need to do to get ready for bed, because I do this right before I go to bed. So, wave it dry a little bit. All right. So now I'm going to take the milk cream, and it's got the same pump lid as the mask. That is all you need. It is a beautiful, beautiful thing. And I'm going to put it on my face, and I am just going to rub it all in. And I love how my skin feels with it. So my skin, I would say I have drier skin than oilier skin, so I can't really attest to how this does for people who have oilier skin. But I do know it does wonders for my skin, and I wake up feeling moisturized. I do have, so my mom, Paris, which a lot of you know, she uses this. She swears by it. And obviously she has a lot different skin than I do. She's in her 50s, and her skin is a lot oilier than mine is. And she says that this is better than any facial treatment she's ever gotten. She swears by it. She's been using it probably for about 6 or 8 months now. So that's somebody with a different skin type, different age. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I explain more in the blog post. I go into more detail about everything, about each product and how much I love it. So go check that out. Be sure to subscribe and check back here for more videos. Bye guys.